Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off or turn on cross-platform on eFootball. eFootball now has a cross-platform feature that lets you play with other users. Let's say you're on PC, you cannot play with users on PlayStation or Xbox. But if you don't want this feature and you want to turn it off, I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. So navigate to Extra, click on Game Settings. Scroll all the way down, you're going to see cross-platform. Here, you're going to have an option to turn it off and on. It says you can play against other users across different platforms except those from mobile. So cross-platform is turned on by default, but mobile users are not included. So you can turn this option on or off if you want. So that's how you turn off or turn on cross-platform on eFootball. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.